Hello students, today we are going to see the program Dynamic Method Dispatch, which is also called as runtime polymorphism. We all know that polymorphism is an important concept in an object-oriented language, and the definition of polymorphism says existence of more than one form. Polymorphism can be achieved at the compile time as well as runtime. In order to understand compile time, the best example is the method overloading and constructor overloading. And in order to understand dynamic method dispatch, we need to know that the method which has to be executed is not known until you run the program. In this example, let's say that class A has a method display as well as class B, which is the subclass of class A, also has a method called display where the superclass display function and the subclass display function signature is exactly the same. There is a class C which is also extending from class A, and this class C also has a method name called as display function. When you keenly observe class A, class B, class C, the display function signature is exactly the same. When you are trying to execute the display function by creating the objects of the three classes, let's understand what is the ambiguity. When you're trying to execute the display function, always the subclass functionality will be executed because of method overriding. But whenever you wanted to implement the runtime polymorphism, we can access the method by using the reference variable. So in this example, we are creating a reference variable of type class A, and you are assigning the object of class A to the reference variable which is of type class A and trying to access the display function. When you are trying to access the display function using the reference variable which is holding the address of the object A, then we all know that the display function of class A will be executed. When you are assigning the reference variable of class B to the type of class A, then in this case, if you remember that it is not the type of the reference variable which is going to be an important one, but the type of the reference variable which you have assigned to that. In this example, we have assigned the class object B reference variable to the reference variable of type class A. So irrespective of the reference variable type, whichever class reference is assigned to the reference variable, that class functionality will be executed. So using a single reference variable of type class A, you are going to access the display function of class A as well as the display function of class B as well as the display function of class C. So until unless you execute this at runtime, you don't know which reference variable is assigned to the reference variable. So this kind of ambiguity is resolved only at the runtime, which is called as dynamic method dispatch.